Singapore wants to achieve a goal of having 15,000 Singaporeans with AI skills through training and education. The AI Apprenticeship Program is a way to develop homegrown talent to help reach that target. Being self-directed and passionate about learning is a necessary trait for qualified candidates because of the intense and condensed training timetable. The in-person program is cohort-based, pairing individual assignments, collaborative peer learning, and mentoring that prepares trainees for real-world projects with real companies. It's more than just a 9-to-6 workday. The remuneration is commensurate with your current level of experience. It's more than just a 9-to-6 workday. The 9-month-long program is 3 months in the classroom and 6 months applying your learning on a real project. And you must already have some experience with building AI models, of which Python is the preferred toolkit. Here are some companies that have hired apprentices from the program. However, the applications for the last cohort, batch 19, closed at the end of November, with the program starting on May 26 of 2025. Don't worry though, batch 20 will be open to applicants in Q2 of 2025. That gives you a bit of time to prepare. Here's the program structure. It's a 3+6 program. Here are some of the tracks. The 100 experiments track is just that. These projects simply don't fall under the other 3. Here's the curriculum for the 3 months on classroom training. All topics in Part 1 and Part 2 are covered in the AI Foundations course. Part 3 is not covered, so you should learn about using containers like Docker on your own. Their online AI Foundations course does cover other tools like SQL, shell scripting, Git, and others. The last 6 months will be hands-on in the field. You can pause here to read the details for the 3 tracks: prompt engineering, data engineering, and AI platforms. The apprenticeship program is for Singapore citizens only, and I was told at an open house that a degree is not necessary, but the proficiency requirements are. Fair enough, and be forewarned, the floor is quite high. What's stipulated deserves its own in-depth video because it's a lot of stuff to know and be proficient at. So if you think you have what it takes, here's how the vetting process goes. Successful applicants are sent the dataset via registered email. They'll give you a due date for submission. Show your exploratory data analysis in a Jupyter notebook and your end-to-end machine learning pipeline as a Python script. All this was covered in the AI Foundations course. Then there's the interview component. In the first part, they are testing your communication skills. Are you clear, concise, convincing? How well did you organize your thoughts? How well did you use data to tell your story? The second part looks like it's on skills like brainstorming, collaborating, thinking critically, and co-creating. There's time before applications are open for batch 20 in Q2 of 2025. This is a great opportunity to advance your career and help build a more resilient Singapore. Get started today